Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English +1 workbook, page number 4. So let's see activity 1. Look at the pictures, complete the crossword with hobbies and interests. Find the extra word. So number 1, already given, is sport. And then number 2, so this is called skateboarding. So skateboarding. And then number 3, this one is considered animals. So with an S, animal. And number 4, we have this one, PS5. So which is video games. DEO, games, GAMES. In the plural form. And then number 5, this one is a music logo. So this one is considered music, MUSIC. And then this one is a bicycle. So this one is cycling, CYCLING. And then we have this one, camera. So this one is photography. So PHOTO, graphy, HY. And then the extra word is, so you read from top to the bottom, is reading. And then we proceed to section activity 2. So I maximize it a bit. So complete the text with the words. So, hi. So I just adjusted the place again. So number 2, activity 2, complete the text with the words. So hi, I'm Katie. I'm 11 and I'm from Melbourne in Australia. I'm into shopping and sport. I really like basketball and so this one is cycling. So this number 1 is cycling. Cycling with my friends. So CYCLING. I am interested in, so this one, photography. It's my favorite hobby and my photos of animals are good. My brother Robert is into music. And this one, books. So it's reading. So reading books and meeting his friends. He isn't interested in video games or chatting on the internet. And then we go to activity 3. So probably I adjusted a bit. So activity 3, complete the dialogue. So hi, I'm Archie. Hello, I'm Harry. What are your hobbies? I'm into photography and art. And I like, so TV is watching, CHING. And films. So this is L. And then my sister are into, so women usually is more into shopping. So OPPING. But I'm not. And you? I'm into, so online is chatting. So chatting is double T and then ING. And online you can meet your friends. So it's meeting friends. Double E and then ING. This one here. And I like. So if you see this one, football and basketball, so it's considered as sport. I'm interested in American football and basketball. Great, I'm into basketball. And I like. So if you see here, all is regarding food. So it's about cooking. And I like cooking, but I'm not very good. Italian food is my favorite, and Turkish food. Yes, Turkish food is really good. It's my favorite. So we go to this activity 4 here. So activity 4, complete the sentences with the words. So if you see here, we have these prepositions. So this is pronounced as Alan is good at sport. And then we already strike through it. And number 1, I'm interested, animals and music. So this one is in, interested in, animals and music. So number 2, James is, so this one is considered into films and shopping. So into. And number 3, my dad is good at. So good at. Number 4, I am interested in reading. So we have this one, not. So I'm not interested in reading. So you shouldn't do that actually. Number 5, my sport is basketball. So this one is your favorite. So my favorite. So basically this is a British English if you are learning American English. So this one, we will have this. We will have to delete this U here. Number 5, and then number 6, I like chatting on the internet. I don't like. So this one, don't. I don't like chatting on the internet. And then number 5, activity 5, write sentences about the interests of your friends and family. Use the words on this page and the phrases to help you. So we have this one. My mom is interested in art, music, and animals. So we will use this one in rotation. So if this one interested, so later we will use this one, and then we go back here again. So my mom, and then now I'm using my sister. So I just left a blank row here, and then my sister is into, so maybe music, and then we have this one, my parents. So parents include your dad, your father and mother. So my parents are, so we go back here, are good at, so maybe cooking. And then we have this one, my brother. My brother is interested. So is E here. Interested in internet. And then we have this one, my dad is into photography. And then the last one, my friends. So we're using the plural form. My friends are good at, so maybe sports. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 5 English +1 workbook. So page number 4. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can see the related videos here. And below this video, I have put a link so you can go and join my Telegram robot that I developed. Thank you.